do I even start this? I don't even remember what I say. What's going on, people? Back in MMH, Mean Mod headquarters and that. Going to be working on our own cars today.
Finally.
Him on this butte. And I am finally doing the catch can and finishing the sub, the base, the sub. And yeah, again, in light of what I discovered last time, shorter videos are better. So let's get to the point. I'm gonna unbox this first. So it's just that. So let's move that out of the way. So this is the catch can that I got from Billet Tech. I haven't even taken out the box yet. So I'm hoping everything is here. If not, then we're screwed. We've got braided lines. See, I got braided lines.
Why is it black?
Why not? Because it's meant to be. What are these? I think they go to the end of the hose ends. Oh look! Huh? Hose ends.
Jeez.
See how it sparkles in the sun and that?
Hey. Oh, take the bonnet off, man.
Have a little plastic bit on top of on the car, on the bonnet.
You haven't unboxed it yet?
No.
It's the first time?
Yeah, man.
Wow. You ain't even taken it out like this?
No,
You're
I
lying.
haven't seen it, bro.
What? Bro, I don't know what's wrong with you, man. You got something wrong.
Look at that. I was actually planning on doing an unboxing video.
Have you not done it? Are you not doing it right now?
This is the unboxing video, but I meant like before.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man.
Wow. So sparkly, it's nearly gay.
Can I even put that in the video?
You know, yeah.
I don't even know. If I can put that
yeah.
in the
I'm
video.
watching all these old Top Gear episodes.
Yeah.
Bro, the amount of shit they got away with.
Yeah,
I'm like, what?
Yeah.
Are you serious right now?
Yeah, but it used to be different back then, though,
Bro,
isn't
it
it?
was so bad. Did you watch the one where they were trying to nominate the best car? You had to call up and vote. Yeah, so there was one which is the black cab. You ain't matching this paint though.
Huh?
You ain't matching this paint though, because it's too uneven.
What do you mean?
All you can do is basically try get. Oh shit! Damn. Buffers.
Billet, blood, billet. No, because it's the same pipe, isn't it?
Yeah,
Can you see that pipe? It's just going from one to the other. You're just basically putting this in the middle.
Okay, fair enough. Because on the 36s it's different, so for me it's like, wait, what?
Is it?
Yeah.
Why, what's on yours?
I can show you. It's easier to show you.
What, if you put a catch can?
Hmm?
If you put a catch can in
Yeah,
there?
come on, please.
What, it's not direct it's not direct injection?
It is, but it's not. Because these run like a special thing already. So this is the smoky bit. Yeah, that's the oil separator thing.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah, so that's where you would put a catch can.
Yeah.
But this already has its own sort of original catch can.
Oh, okay.
So it's called an oil separator valve.
Okay.
And basically it separates it, and just the oil goes back into the dipstick tube.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so there's 3 pipes on it. So one that goes in here, one that goes into the inlet manifold, and one pipe that goes back into the...
So it actually separates the oil and puts it back into the engine?
yeah.
Ah, serious? Yeah. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Because here I'm losing oil.
BMW on it.
That's no... Don't hate. This is caveman shit. Alright, let me put it
It's
in.
sick though, I love caveman shit. For me, that's caveman shit. Like 40, 36s.
Oh, seriously? But still, the technology in that.
Spaces. Oh shit, it's the same. Oh, raw. It's just a centimeter higher than the front. That is mad, you know.
Then slide should be.
Is that just to go like this? Over the thing? Over the hose?
No, yeah, over the hose, not the.
Yeah, I know, obviously.
Over
So
the-
put the hose in then. Just there. So it looks like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm guessing put that over the hose. Is that the right way?
Yeah.
Oh. And then one in here. It's alright.
That looks hard.
What is this?
What?
This.
It's for you to put your supercharger on.
Oh yeah? Should have known. A what?
I've only got a B-Tech one. Alright.
That'll do. Alright, maybe here?
Do you know which side goes where?
Yeah, this here.
Here, yeah?
Looks alright now.
Gone. I've made the mark you cut it now. Hanging.
We are finished. That looks good there.
Can I tell you one thing though?
What?
Come here.
No.
Look at something.
Wait.
Do you need a spirit level?
No. You don't need 9. Shut up.
You can see, right?
I don't care.
You can see, right?
What? It's like that.
It's like that.
Like that. Like that's that.
Brother, it's supposed to be like that.
Yeah.
But it's like this.
Yeah.
So can you adjust it?
No, you don't need to.
Adjust the thing, bruv.
Well, how do you adjust it, blood?
You just need to loosen it there a
No,
little
you
bit.
don't.
Bring-
Not even.
Just do it.
No, you don't.
Listen, you cowboy. Do it.
No, you don't need to. Oh, fine.
I was gonna say.
Okay, so it's not exactly level, but because Samir cut this before we measured it, so we're kind of missing that part. But yeah, it's more or less done though. It's all right. It's all right. Still, it's good. So we are. Samir's lowering his big beast. So that's how you'll actually know it's lifted up at the moment. And this is going to be lower because it's lifted up from one side. But I'm sure you've seen it before.
Lowering it about an inch. So this strut's nearly ready to come out.
So where's the actual?
So there's one big bolt that goes up here. Funny enough, it's like my 36. It goes in there, holds onto the hub. And then there's another one here,
Yeah.
another one in here.
But what is it the springs that we wear?
So I need to take the whole strut out so I can actually compress the springs, take the top man out.
Wow.
And then, yeah.
And where's the new springs?
Somewhat 7 series actually.
Oh, sorry. Random guy. Alright, I'm going to work on the sub. I'm going to put that in there. It's my new box. I've just had it for a while. I haven't picked it up. And then we're going to put the sub amp wire all up, and then we'll be back.
Isn't it?
It's the only explanation.
No, but this is lower than earlier though.
So he's done the drop links, and that is low.
Too low.
Very low. Too low.
That's not where I want it.
That is not where we want it. Front's looking good. Change the springs on them. It's looking decent, and we are done. Eating. No, with the sub. I have no more boot. I have literally no boot. There is a... I haven't started it yet to try it. Maybe I should move the drink before I do. And this is to try and isolate the windows a bit more, because they do rattle. But we have done all the wiring. And... oh, just lift it up so I can see what I'm saying. Done the wiring. Looks pretty decent. The amp wire, we've got the fuse tucked in there, gone down. Catch can done today. Just make sure I haven't left anything like that over there. This is the importance why you always check, because that would have just, yeah, that would have done a few bits. Yeah,
Have you fitted the remote cable?
yeah. Okay, I was about to close the bonnet and then this was on the windscreen bit. Okay, let's close it. Okay, maybe a bit more. Okay, we're good. I don't think we can even play any music, any copyright music. Not that anyone's actually watching. Finally done. We're finally done with something. Actually, a few things, but yeah, it's been good. I mean, from the back, I have no boot. I have no boot. And then I still got to put that thing on there.
Hey, what the devil? What was I supposed to do with this?
Do it the other way. Maybe... yeah, but then you measured it, so I'm sure it was fine.
It makes no sense, man.
Okay, well, did you measure against the old one?
Yeah, yeah. Well, I've undone it now, but
Well, check what you've just done.
so should I don't know. So that's a tiny bit smaller than the old ones. Should I do it the same as the old ones and see?
Yeah.
Just to see?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let me switch it off. Probably clean up a bit. And then yeah, we'll see if we ended it here or not. Yeah, that's the update. So might sound a bit crazy, but we're gonna try and make a splitter for the 63. Probably looks a bit like tate at the moment, but it was mocked up on there, and then to get it symmetrical had to cut it in half, and yeah, basically trace it out. We're going to sand it out now, and then it's got a little Dremel piece that goes on here that makes it rounder. Obviously you can see it follows the contour of the car, so it's going to come out and then in, and then yeah, it was a pretty massive bit of wood. But yeah, once we get it all mocked up, we have like a carbon fiber skin kit that he's gonna get, and then make molds out of it. Hopefully should be good. It's coming along, it's coming along. Let's put the hinges on just for temporarily. Gonna penny black.
Temporarily.
Temporarily. Obviously it's gonna be
Because we're impatient.
carbon skinned. We haven't rounded this off yet, but we don't have the tool for that. But I mean, come on, that's looking good. Obviously,
to trim it, yeah.
Yeah, this is all the back bit is going to be trimmed. But yeah. Ouch. Okay. Well, I just tripped on it, but yeah, splitters is done. I'm obviously cold. Got on jacket. But yeah.
Let me get the light.
I think you can actually.
Show you. Oh, you can see the red now.
Oh yeah. Why though? But I like the red.
Of course you do.
Yeah. That is what you call a custom splitter, mate. The edges stick out a little bit,
Which we're gonna adjust.
it will be adjusted. Obviously this is the first mock-up, but for a first mock-up, it's looking good.
Pretty happy with it, man. Apart from the edges, I don't think I'm gonna change anything. And round the edges, obviously.
Yeah, yeah.
Round
Just
the
put
top edge.
Put the edge in a bit more.
That's it.
That bit there. So tug that in, round the edges, and then probably wrap it, just so you can see how it looks in gloss black. And then yeah, might have to carbon skin it afterwards, and then see how it looks. You see me? So yeah,
Very happy with it, mate.
very nice, very nice. Alright, but that's definitely the end of it because I'm freezing the nuts off.
We gotta go, man.
Peace.